Hi everybody, welcome to Carol's Art Room. In today's video, I'm going to do a video on this little piggy's pigments. I just got a few of them, so I'm going to give them a try and see how it goes. I'm going to do a blue. Stick around and let's get started and see how it goes. Hi everybody. Well, I've had a couple of blooms that I wasn't fond of, so I'm back at it again. Just poured down the pillow paint. I'm trying my pigments. So this one is a pink gold by PearlEx. So I'm going to put this down first. I'm going to mix them together. I'm going to put some silver. This is the Amsterdam silver. I can't remember if this is transparent or not. So if it isn't, it should be on the bottom. It should be okay. It's semi-transparent. Alright, so now I go put some PBO. Oh, wait a minute, maybe not. This is Twinkle. I'm going to put some Twinkle. This has a pink. It's supposed to be a pink. I can see it when I'm putting it down. So it must dry pink. This is a Little Miss Piggy Twinkle. And I have the Twinkle I used. So I have Pinot Green and some purple. I'll try the purple. And then I have the Pinot Gris, which is like a greenish color. All right, I'll try my Prussian Blue Cell Activator with Australian floetrol. I just hope I can get this to... I've been I've been getting good cells and stuff, but my blowing technique today is just not good. I'm gonna try this. There. Oh, that's making me happy now. I don't know, I should have used that in the first place. I was using my little mini blower, but I think it was too directed to, I don't know. It just didn't work today. Now that's gorgeous colors. To wait for the center to come back. Just waiting for the middle. I've been painting down here so long. I haven't even had lunch yet. And I'm drinking my cold coffee. But it tastes good cold because it's got chocolate liqueur in it. Guess that was my breakfast. And then now I gotta go cook some dinner. One white spot. Come on now, start to move. Still stuck there in the middle. All right, I think it's going to be time to spin. This is pretty, really pretty. I'm pretty happy with this one. Look at that. I think that's enough spinning. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I wasn't even in the middle. Anyways, thanks. This is a good one, so thanks for coming by for this one. And yeah, I'm glad I finally got another good one. I really like using my mini hairdryer blower. Works well. Stick with what you know sometimes. Anyway, sometimes you get a good result with a mini blower and sometimes you don't. It just depends. It's all in how you guide it. All right, so I'm going to hold this up. Let's see how these dry. I wonder what colors will pop out from these little Miss Piggies. Can't wait to see. So have a good day and come back to Carol's Art Room. Bye-bye. Hello, everybody. This is my dried little canvas with my pigments. It's very shiny. Dried awesome. Very pretty. I really like it. See different colors as you move it around. This one turned out good. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.